Hello everyone, I am K. Krishna Priya. I am currently doing my third year BE degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from SSM Institute of Engineering and Technology. Currently, I am doing internship on embedded system along with my friends Nishitha Joan and S Nivetha. During this internship, we built a project called Car Block Box based on embedded system. Now we are going to see some basic concept of C. These are the some characteristics of C modules. Middle level language, general purpose language, user friendly, library factors plays a major role, 32 reserved keywords. Condition class, if else if, looping statement, while loop, for loop, do while loop. Now we are going to see pointer. What is a pointer? Pointer is a variable which hold memory address of another variable. Example, size of a pointer is fixed. Data type pointer is actually used to fetch information. Void pointer is which are unintimidated. Function. There are three sections. First one is function declaration. Second one is function definition. And last one is function call. Why functions are used? They are used to reducing number of lines, divide and corner, and understanding and modify. What is a recursion? It is a process of repeating items in a similar way. There are two steps involved in this process. Identify base case, writing reserved case, return, terminate the program. No return state, result in infinite. String. What is a string? Set of things tied or triaded together on a tin code. Repeating inside double quotation. End with /0. Null terminator. These are the example. Now we are going to see what is an embedded system. It is a combination of hardware and software designed to run a specific task. Examples. What is a catalog of ES? Stay along. In that, slave and independent. Real-time system. These are the examples. Network ES. These are the example. What is a microcontroller? An integrated circuit capable of being programming to perform specific function. Resistant. Memory size, input output capability, prevent function, etc. Now we are going to see the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. All separate components are available in microprocessor. All components in single chip. More flexible in microprocessor. Less flexible in microcontroller. More design complexity in microprocessor. Less design complexity in microcontroller. Choosing a microcontroller. Application based on performance, based on price, availability of tools, specific capacitor. What is a car block box? A black box is either physically installed in the car or downloaded as a smartphone app. It linked to a GPS device that measure and record values. Vehicles. Speed, location, distance travel, driving frequency, time of the day the car is in motion. Physical hardware requirement. LCD, display, potentiometer, EEP, ROM, memory, microcontroller, RTS. Now we are going to see PIC16F877A microcontroller overview. It has a 5 ports. Port A, Port B, Port C, Port D, Port E. Maximum size of the port is equal to maximum size of the microcontroller. There are 8 bits. Port A is equal to 8 bits. Port B, C, D is equal to 8 bits. Port E is equal to 3 bits. All are bidirectional ports. Now we are going to see what is a LED. LED, light emitting diode. In UC, LED connection is currently sourcing circuit. In P1C16F877A, LED 1, port D, RD0 to RD7. LED 2, port B, RB0 to RB7. Direction control resistor. TRISX is equal to dedicated. What is dedicated? Pulls up, switch state, open, close. UC pin 1 0. Pull down, switch state, closed, open. Interrupt. The process is going to overflow, then interrupt produce. There are two types: software, hardware. Hardware, non-markable, markable, external, internal. Interrupt hardwares. IVT, interrupt vector table. ISR, interrupt service rotation. ISR, similar to sub rotation. Keep it simple and short. Timer, resolution, rejected within. Tip, up or down count. Quantum, system clock setting. Scaling, pre or post scaling. Module, custom pulse generator, PP measured, etc. Now we are going to see timer type. Timer 0 module, interrupt overflow from FFH to 00H, 8-bit timer. Counter, pre-scaler. Timer 1 module, timer 2 module, pre and post scaling. 8-bit period register, PR2. Now we are going to see the timer program examples. These are the examples. LCD. LCD means liquid cursor display. CLCD, 16 lines, programming time, delaying method, pole method. In PIC16FS877A, delayed method is only unstable. 2 communication method, 4-bit mode, 4 data line, 8-bit mode, 8 data line. Let's get into the project demo. We have done the coding. We have a header file and source file. What we are listening in the internship, this is a principle. First we have to load the Excel file. We have to insert our project file. This is a dashboard. We have to press RB3 and R34. Now we have entered the password. View log with display. Next we have to change the password by clicking RBF. We have to enter the new password by clicking RB4, RB3, RB4 and RB3. Now we have to re-enter new password by clicking RB4, RB3, RB4 and RB3. Now our password was successful. Thank you for giving me the wonderful opportunity.